Look what I just bought. This is by May, and it is a Jade Roller and a Gua Sha. And look how nice it is. Now, this is for you to use for relaxation, and it comes with a small Jade Roller as well as a large, and it's for massaging your neck and face. It also comes with this Gua Sha too, and look how nice that is. And you can also use this to massage your face as well as your neck. And you can also put it in the refrigerator too and chill it for about 10 minutes. And here are the instructions on how to use it. Let me show you a close-up. Here are the instructions on how to use the Jade Roller. And it shows you how to use it for your neck, your face, as well as your eyes too, and how to use the Gua Sha on your neck, cheeks, face, and even in your back shoulder area as well. And here is a close-up of the Gua Sha. Very nice. And here is a close-up of the Jade Roller. This is the shorter side, and this is the longer side. They say you should use it with serum, oil, or lotion, and then to clean it after each use, so the oils don't accumulate. Once a week to give it a good, thorough, deep cleaning. So now let's start using this on our neck. And it says to start with slow, gentle motion and go upward. And you just use light pressure, and wow, it feels so good. And now let's use it on our face. Again, you're going to be using gentle motion and pressure, and from your nose, you're going to go outwards. So gentle pressure from inside to the outside. And let's repeat again. And you can also do this for your forehead. And again, starting with middle and going outward. Feels so good. Now, this little one, you can even use it for your eyelids. And again, inside to outside. Inside towards the outside. So you're going to start from the center of your face towards your hairline. And let's repeat the steps. And even though this is room temperature, I can feel a cooling effect. However, they said if you even want more cooling effect, you can put this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes and then use it after. But this is really comfortable, and I can see myself using this daily for many years to come. It's very relaxing. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.